Hi, I'm Russ with ESBservice.com, and this is just a quick video regarding the ESB timers for the tanning beds. I get these a lot where people send them to me for a rebuild, and this is kind of a common issue that they have. This is like, the terminals, they just wiggle loose and they come out of the board. And you see that's happened here, and then there's no terminals. Now, no problem. People send this to me all the time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to solder brand new terminals on there, like on this timer. I soldered these terminals on there. They're nice and strong, brand new. Okay, so the point is if you do this and you have these slugs left in your wires, you can't go and connect them on when I send you the repaired timer. So what you need to do is take some needle nose pliers, make sure the power is cut, and just take these and pull them out of your old wires. That's what went wrong with the timer. So like I said, we got new terminals on there. Just take your connectors now and just slide them on, and just like they were before, and you're good to go. So that's it. Just a quick video. Wanted to get you guys up to speed on that. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click the bell for notifications. Happy tanning.